What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, we'll be doing a side-by-side comparison on the UI of Oxygen OS 12 with that of Google's Android 12. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So here you can see I have both my devices. This is Oneplus 8 on which I'm running Google's Android Beta 4. And if you guys also want to install Android 12 Beta 4 on your Oneplus 8 series, then you can follow the video guide given in the description below. Towards the right hand side, I have my Oneplus 9 on which I am running the first developer preview of Android 12 which was officially released by Oneplus. As you can see here, both the devices are running Android 12. Left hand side, this is official port of Android 12 Beta 4. And towards the right hand side, this is Oxygen OS 12 Developer Preview 1. And I know guys that Android 12 Developer Preview 1 was released for OnePlus 9 series. After that, we haven't got any kind of update from OnePlus. I know it's not a fair comparison, but I just wanted to compare the difference between both these OS. And first of all, as we all know that Google have almost adapted to the Material UI theme, and that feature is still not available on OnePlus devices. I mean to say Android 12 Developer Preview 1 for OnePlus devices. So we'll be ignoring that part in this video. First, let's start with the lock screen. So here you can see on both the devices we have different lock screens. On Google's Android 12 we get to see this huge clock on the lock screen, but that's not the case on OnePlus 9. Along with the clock you can see day, date and weather forecast on the left top corner. On OnePlus Android 12 we only get to see date and day. This is how notification panel looks on both the OS. There's a huge difference between both of them. If we long press on the home screen, on stock Android 12, we get to see these rounded corners. OnePlus 9, we still have this edges in the corners of every setting. So first, let's dive inside the home setting. On Google's Android 12, we get bit of customization option, but not on OnePlus 9. After that, moving on to the widgets. So here few widgets like photos are quite similar on both the OS, and which you can also extend by tapping on the widget and increase the size of the same. With widgets, we get to see rounded corners on both the OS. After that, run the wallpaper and style section. We don't get to see anything on OnePlus 9. We just get option to choose from live wallpapers or the Google Photos application. But on stock Android 12, we have lots of options, like you can directly access dark theme, and we also have a new option of themed icon. So once you enable themed icon, you'll have this icons on the home screen adapting to Material UI theme. So here you'll see a huge difference between both these OS. And I know guys, Google have already released its 4th beta for Pixel devices. So do not put up any unnecessary comments in the comment section below. I'm just doing a comparison to check out the UI differences between both these OS. And now talking about the quick setting panels, here also you'll see a lots of difference between quick setting panels of Google's Android 12 with that of OnePlus Android 12 Developer Preview. Here we have these huge tiles. On OnePlus we get to see the same stuff which was available on Android 11. You can also see the size difference between brightness slider. Under the quick setting panel we get to see an additional power menu which is not present on developer preview of OnePlus. On Oxygen OS developer preview 1, in the Wi-Fi toggle you'll get to see this number which indicates whether your device have been connected to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz band. Status bar doesn't have much of changes. The clock is on the left side of both the devices, though there's a difference between the size, and rest other stuff remains towards the right hand side. This is the calling UI on both these devices. When you swipe the notification panel, you can see the difference between both the UIs. In the status bar, we get to see this green dot, that means mic is being used. But on OnePlus device, we get this mic icon to be seen in the status bar while we are on call. Now let's move on to the app drawer. So here, almost similar look in the app drawer, not a major change to be seen. On the top of app drawer, we have the search option. On stock Android 12, we get this Google option and the mic option, but that's not on OnePlus 9. Another major change is related to the dark theme. So here, towards the left hand side on stock Android, we are very close to that pitch dark theme, but on OnePlus 9, we still have that grayish color. Moving on to the settings panel, and here you can see again we have a huge difference between the UI of settings panel. On OnePlus 9 we have these colorful icons in front of every settings, but on stock Android 12 from Google we don't have any color grids for every setting. And I personally do like the settings panel on stock Android 12. Along with that, on stock Android you'll get to see some subsettings under every setting menu. But here on Android 12 developer preview for OnePlus 9 we don't get to see anything like that. And here I have some kind of mixed feelings. I'm okay with this also because I've been using Android from a long time and I know where to navigate myself for the particular settings. And here you'll also see a difference between the toggles present in the settings panel, which again have a different UI. And at last, this is the about section on both the devices, which doesn't have much of changes. We'll have to wait and watch when OnePlus gonna release the next developer preview, or directly they'll be coming up with open beta. And guys, OnePlus have started recruiting people for closed beta testing for OnePlus 9 series. So if you want to participate, I'll leave a link in the description below. Just head to that link and participate in closed beta program for Android 12. So guys, this was a quick look on the difference between UI of Oxygen OS 12 Developer Preview 1 with that of stock Android 12 Beta 4. If you still have any kind of questions, you can let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.